We're going to finish this section by a quick overview of storage engines. In MySQL, we have several storage engines, and these storage engines determine how the data is stored and what features are available to us. So if we type show engines, we can see all storage engines supported by the current version of MySQL. Now, don't worry about this list here. The two most commonly used storage engines are MyISAM and InnoDB. MyISAM is an older storage engine. It used to be popular prior to version 5.5. But going forward, InnoDB is the superior storage engine. It supports features like transactions. All these things we have talked about so far, these are part of InnoDB. MyISAM does not support these features. So you really don't want to use MyISAM. But there are situations where you're working with a database built with an older version of MySQL, and you may want to upgrade that database to use InnoDB so you can add foreign keys. Foreign keys are really important for maintaining referential integrity. Earlier, I told you that when we add a relationship between two tables, we cannot add invalid values in our foreign key columns. So that is the benefit of foreign keys. Now let me show you how to change the storage engine. We set the storage engine at a table level. So in the same database, we can use multiple storage engines. For example, here I've got the customers table open. Here on the top, we have this drop-down list for selecting the storage engine. As you can see, InnoDB is the default storage engine, and we really don't want to change this to anything else. But if this table was built with an older version of MySQL, perhaps here we would have MyISAM, we could simply change it to InnoDB right here. But we can also do the same in SQL. So back to our query window, we can type alter table customers engine equals InnoDB. So this is how we change the storage engine for a table. Just remember that changing the storage engine of a table can be an expensive operation because MySQL has to rebuild the table. During this time, your table is not going to be accessible. So don't do this in production unless you have a scheduled maintenance. So that's all about storage engines that you need to know. And that brings us to the end of this section. I hope you learned a lot, and I will see you in the next section.